Hello there, I'm LashGo, my beautiful angels. Got a package here from eBay. Let's open it up and have a look. See what's in it. I'm excited, yeah. I hope everyone's doing well. Spreading the love. Check that out. It's my Japanese Storix. I needed this one to get the whole set. The Datsun Bluebird 510. I'd like another one so I can have it loose. But the Drifter's got a lot of them. But yeah, finally got the full set now. But I would like another one loose if I can find that. Alright guys, that was my quick one car unboxing. Please subscribe, hit the bell button. Please subscribe, hit the bell button, like, and comment down below. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Lots of love. Remember, stay awesome, stay cool, stay super cool, mate. Thanks for watching. I'm LashGo. Bye.